Okay, so I've cleaned the place where this hinge is going to go. There are 3 locations and they're all cleaned with angle grinder. So this gate is opening this way. Oops. So is opening like this. So this is the maximum it will open. As you can see, this is the maximum it will open, like that. And so therefore we need to place our hinge. Let me put this tripod in here. So we need to place our hinge and like so here, and we're gonna weld the bottom one to the left and the top one to the right, so it can the gate can rotate. If you pay attention, I put the cylinder one on the top, because that way the rain, if it was the other way, the rain would collect here and will contribute to rusting of the hinge. Okay, so we're gonna start welding now.